Is your ex starting to feel like a distant memory, but you want them to miss you like crazy? You might be wondering, what's the secret to turning the tables and getting them to long for your presence again? Well, in today's video, we're diving into 13 powerful steps to make your ex miss you after the breakup. These are real strategies, not just wishful thinking. So let's get started. Step 1. Do not try to contact them. The first and arguably most effective step is to give them space. Implement the no contact rule. It means no texts, no calls, no checking their social media. When you create that gap, your ex gets time to think about what life is like without you. This period of silence might make them start to miss you, reminiscing about the good times. In your absence, they'll have the space to realize that losing you might have been a mistake. During this time, focus on yourself, your healing, growth, and personal development. As you let your ex sit with their thoughts, they may initially feel relieved, but eventually, feelings of loneliness creep in. They might even begin to question their decision to leave. Remember, you are not coming across as desperate, but instead, you're giving both of you room to breathe and reset. By the time they realize how much they miss you, you'll be stronger and more confident. Step 2. Do not receive their calls and respond to their texts. If they try reaching out to you, resist the urge to respond. Ignoring their attempts to contact you builds an air of mystery. This step is crucial because the more inaccessible you are, the more intrigued they become. They'll start wondering why you're so unbothered, and this lack of access will increase their desire to reconnect. By showing restraint, you're signaling that you have boundaries and you're not sitting by the phone waiting for them to reach out. This creates a shift in power. They might even start to wonder if you've already moved on or met someone new. And that mystery? It's going to work in your favor. Step 3. Reinvent yourself. Now that you're not reaching out or responding, it's time to work on you. Reinvent yourself by focusing on self-improvement, inside and out. Hit the gym, update your style, or take up a hobby that excites you. Not only will this boost your confidence, but when your ex eventually sees or hears about the new you, it'll make them wonder why they ever let you go. Reinvention isn't just about your looks. It's about adopting a positive mindset and embracing emotional growth. By the time your ex sees how much you've evolved, they'll feel that they missed out on this amazing version of you. Step 4. Meet new people and make new friends. One surefire way to make your ex miss you is by expanding your social circle. Go out, meet new people, and engage in exciting activities. Not only will this help you distract yourself, but it also sends a strong message to your ex that you're thriving and living your best life without them. When they hear about your new connections, especially from mutual friends, they may start feeling jealous or regretful. Your ability to move forward and have fun with new people shows that you're not stuck in the past. Step 5. Be active on social media. This one's subtle but effective. Be active on social media, but don't make it obvious that you're trying to get their attention. Post about the new activities you're involved in, the places you're visiting, and the fun experiences you're having. These posts are less about showing off and more about showcasing your growth and happiness. When your ex sees how well you're doing without them, it will create a mix of emotions: jealousy, curiosity, and even regret. Remember, you're not trying to rub anything in their face. You're simply living your best life, and they'll take notice. Step 6. Talk to their friends. While you're giving your ex space, staying connected with mutual friends can work to your advantage. Engage with their friends casually and let them see the best version of you. Mutual friends can become messengers who pass along information to your ex, reminding them of your positive traits and how well you're doing. This subtle communication keeps you in your ex's thoughts without you needing to say a word. Those little reminders might be just enough to reignite their interest and make them miss what they had. Step 7. Check out the outside dating world. You don't need to jump into a serious relationship right away, but dipping your toes in the dating pool shows that you're open to new possibilities. Whether it's casual dating or just getting to know new people, it sends a clear message that you're moving on and living your life. When your ex hears that you're seeing other people, or even just exploring, it might stir up feelings of jealousy and make them realize how much they still care about you. It's often the thought of you with someone else that makes an ex start to miss you the most. Step 8. Take a vacation. A change of scenery can do wonders. Taking a vacation is not just a great way to unwind, but it's also a subtle way to show that you're embracing life. Posting about your adventures on social media lets your ex see that you're out there having a great time, exploring new places, and making unforgettable memories. This carefree, adventurous side of you will make them miss the fun times you had together and the experiences they're missing out on. A vacation shows that you're not wallowing in sadness. You're out there enjoying life. Step 9. Act cool if you see them. If you bump into your ex, the key is to stay calm, cool, and collected. Don't act awkward or uncomfortable. Instead, be lighthearted and confident. This shows that you've moved on and that you're unbothered by the breakup. Your ex will likely be taken aback by how relaxed and nonchalant you are, which might make them question whether breaking up was the right decision. That confidence will leave a lasting impression. Step 10. Don't be awkward once you resume talking. When the time comes for you to talk again, don't dive into heavy, emotional conversations about the past. Keep things light and fun. Talk about shared interests or new experiences rather than rehashing old grievances. By maintaining a positive and easygoing vibe, you create an enjoyable dynamic between the two of you. This makes it easier for your ex to remember why they fell for you in the first place. Step 11. Be the person your ex fell for. Reflect on the traits that initially attracted your ex to you and embrace those qualities. Was it your sense of humor, your kindness, your ambition? Whatever it was, let those qualities shine through again. By being the best version of yourself, the one they initially fell for, you'll remind them of the connection you once shared. Sometimes it's the return to those core qualities that makes an ex realize they miss you. Step 12. Stay confident and positive. Confidence is key. Show through your actions that you're thriving without them. Stay active, pursue your hobbies, and surround yourself with positive energy. This kind of self-assuredness is incredibly attractive and will make your ex realize just how strong and resilient you are. When they see you thriving, they'll wonder whether letting you go was a mistake. Confidence draws people in, and it may just draw your ex back. Step 13. Give time and let them miss you. The final step, patience. Give your ex time to feel your absence. Sometimes people don't realize what they've lost until enough time has passed for them to truly miss you. By maintaining your distance, showing that you're moving forward and living your best life, you give your ex the space to reflect on what you both had. If they miss you, they'll come to that realization on their own, and that's when they'll reach out. And there you have it. Those are the proven strategies to make your ex miss you and possibly even reconsider their decision. But remember, the most important part of this journey is focusing on your own growth and happiness. Whether they come back or not, you're building a stronger, more confident version of yourself. And that's a win either way. If you're interested in learning about the mistakes that can make a breakup feel even worse and what to do instead, check out this video right here. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more relationship advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.